Exclusive. Prince's 13-year-old grandniece, the last surviving blood relative of the Purple Rain star's brother, is in line to inherit a $42 million share of his fortune. A teenage girl is in line to inherit a $42 million share of pop superstar Prince's vast fortune, Daily Mail Online can reveal. Schoolgirl Victoria Nelson, seen here with her grandmother, is the grandniece of the Purple Rain singer. She is the granddaughter and last surviving blood relative of Prince's half-brother Dwayne Joseph Nelson, who died in 2011, meaning she has a right to stake a claim. Dwayne was employed as the star's head of security at Paisley Park before the pair fell out before his death. Prince had 8 siblings: Dwayne Nelson and Lorna Nelson, both deceased, and Tyka Nelson, John Nelson, Omar Baker, Alfred Jackson, Sharon Nelson and Nora Nelson. Lorna Nelson has no known survivors. Victoria is entitled by law to at least a 1/7 share of Prince's estate, currently estimated at $300 million, on a par with the singer's 6 surviving siblings. That means the teen, believed to be aged 13 or 14, stands to pocket a staggering $42.8 million. Investigators at Heir International, a company which specializes in genealogical research and finding heirs across the globe, found Victoria while researching the genealogy of Prince's family. Daily Mail Online reached out to Victoria's grandmother Alberta Butler, the widow of Dwayne Nelson Sr., and broke the news to the family. Shocked, Mrs. Butler, 59, said, "I'm very surprised about all of this, everything. It's going to take us a few days to digest it." When told her granddaughter stands to inherit $42 million, Mrs. Butler, who has remarried since her husband's death, said, "Oh yeah, I understand that. I'm her grandmother. Victoria is my son's only child and my son has passed. She's not over 18, she's a minor. I need to think about this." Significantly, Victoria, who lives in Minnesota, was not named in legal documents filed by Prince's sister Tyka Nelson on Tuesday in a Minneapolis court. Nelson filed the paperwork at Carver County District Court saying the star has no will. "I do not know of the existence of a will and have no reason to believe that the decedent executed testamentary documents in any form," Nelson said in the paperwork. Prince died at age 57 on Thursday at his estate in suburban Minneapolis. Police are believed to be refusing to rule out criminal homicide charges over Prince's death as they probe doctors who may have supplied him with drugs, it was revealed on Tuesday. The singer was found collapsed in an elevator in Paisley Park, his home and vast recording studio in Chanhassen, Minnesota, and was declared dead. Officers have already said there was no indication of suicide, but there have been claims that the pop legend had an opium addiction and had been treated for an overdose of the powerful painkiller Percocet while traveling home from concerts in Atlanta last week.